all of this happened when I was old. I mean, this is my 35th year as a journalist. And so when it happened to me, my lines are very clear. And, I think when I was still in college or before, I drew the line of, if I'm on this side of the line, I'm good. And I cross that line, I'm evil. These are the values that we grow up with. So, that's the first is I knew that if I gave up, I knew that if I stopped doing my job, that it wasn't just about me. At that point, I was already heading a news organization, and I couldn't, because if I gave up, then it's almost like my entire life, my entire career would be a lie, right? Because you need to actually live your values when it matters the most, not when it's convenient. And the true test of your values is when you stand to lose something. So yeah, I kind of walked into this, and it isn't over, right? I'm going back to the Philippines, and I will ask for permission to go to Oslo. I may or may not get permission. I am putting myself in their power because I will do my job. I have done nothing wrong. All of this is meant to intimidate me to silence or to be afraid and duck out, right? And these types of tactics on social media really do work. A lot more women journalists have opted out. And that's also going to be a problem in the next generation here in the United States, because women are also attacked a lot more. Same with women politicians, right? Women politicians are attacked a little differently. I'll say one last thing. I know Danny Fenster. I visited Frontier Myanmar. The founder of Frontier Myanmar is a friend of mine, Sunny Shui. And Sunny, when all of this was happening to me, Sunny was one of the people I spoke to because he went to jail for 8 years. And then as soon as he got out of jail, he started Frontier Myanmar. There are personal costs. The question I had for him was, you do this best over drinks, and I'm sorry, we can't have drinks together, but the question I had for him is, was it worth it? And there are weak moments where you just go, my gosh, why does it demand this much? But even Sunny also said the same thing. Of course it is, because it's about more than you. When the cost, look, oh gosh, Harvard, I think, makes me emotional. I think that the cost of not doing the right thing is far greater than the consequences for one person. So, whether our democracy survives in the Philippines, will those chances become greater if Rappler continues doing investigative accountability journalism? And that's what we aim to do.